Hai semua. Hi all, Kenny sini. Semua orang tahu, everybody knows this is kelapa sawit. Okay, oil palm fruit. So this one has ripe yang dah masak. Yeah. So apa saya nak buat hari ni? Saya nak buka tengok apa macam mana rupa kat dalam. Okay, for some of you, maybe you know how does it look like inside. For some other people have never seen what's inside. How does it look like? Let's open and see. Okay, so let me use my MacGyver knife, which I've been keeping for almost 30 years. Okay, so as you can see the oil. So this is what I got halfway. Okay, after I cut, it looks like a seed. Okay, and then you can see the oil. That's the palm oil. Okay, it's really an oil. So the next step is I have to break open this shell. So after a long attempt to open the shell, so that is what I got. So this is what you found or find inside the oil palm fruit. Yes. So I cut open and this is how it looks like inside. Okay, it's like a coconut. So there's a few layers of oil being extracted, few layers of minyak, beberapa lapis minyak yang akan dikeluarkan daripada kelapa sawit ini. So nampak? So it looks like coconut. Okay, so that's what you'll find inside a oil palm fruit, buah kelapa sawit. Okay, thank you for watching.